Hey green beauty lovers, how are you guys doing? I wanted to come on and just do a quick video and showcase to you guys this color right here. This color is called Una. It's from NUS Beauty, and I just wanted to do a quick look, a nice basic look that can pair with this metallic lip gloss right here. And this is just an inspiration so that if you do receive the box and you got this color, then you can definitely have some kind of inspiration of how to wear it. If you receive the other color, which is this one right here, this color is called Kali. On Keisha Dinkra's channel, she has a video where she showcases how to wear this color just to give you guys an inspiration. Let's get into this basic tutorial. I want to say basic because nothing I do is basic. It's always bomb. Let's just get into this tutorial, you guys. Let's go. Wait a minute. Before this whole makeup tutorial starts, I know you all did not think I was going to start this makeup look without showing you guys how to get your lips together, because you know how I feel about having crusty lips. I've warned you all many times before about having crusty lips, and now I'm going to show you all how to take care of that. Also included in the Green Beauty for Us winter box were some lip essentials from Natural Annie Essentials. You guys received a lip scrub and you also received a lip balm. So let's put it to work before we apply any lipstick, liquid lipstick, lip gloss or anything. We're gonna get the lips right. Alright, let's go. Wet the lips with some water. That's tight. Ooh, it smells good. Get the corners now. Get the corners. Nice and soft. Let's apply the lip balm. And now this, nice and smooth. Now we can get back to filming the tutorial. Alright, let's go. Back to the video. First things first. We are going to do primer, same as usual. My Natural Annie's Essential. This is my aloe vera face gel. I just rub that into my face. Next, we're going to go in with foundation. I will be using my Plain Jane Beauty Foundation for this tutorial. And I will be using my shade number 14, I Am Magnificent. Foundation is on. I also took the time to do my eyebrows, so eyebrows are on as well. Now we are going to work on the eyelid. I'm going to take concealer from Hint Beauty, just a little bit, because as we know, the Hint Beauty concealer is a really full coverage. And we're just going to apply that on the eyelid. And this is in the color Dark. We're going to go in with the Plain Jane Beauty translucent powder, and we're just going to set that. I'm going to go in with this first color from Hint Beauty. It is from the Sweet Canyon eyeshadow palette. And it's just the darkest brown color in the palette, and I'm going to use that as my, transition shade. I'm going to go in with the color Masala from Mother Bear's Handmade. So I'm going to put that all over, more all over the lid. We probably one of the most basic eye looks you guys have ever seen in a very long time. But it's alright. Just to darken the outer V area of the lid a little bit, I'm going to take the color Espresso from Red Apple Lipsticks and just darken up the outer V area to add some more depth and dimension. Just to lighten the lid up a little bit, we're going to take this color called Champagne. It is from Hint Beauty, and we're just going to gently tap that on the lid, mostly on the bottom half of the lid. We're not going to bring it up too much into the crease, and not too much of this color because you just want to gently brighten the eye. You don't want it to be too bright because you don't want a lot of attention on the eye. So once you pat it right there in like the center area, like that, see how it's like really light flush of color? Just like that. We're going to take the same brush that had the espresso on it and just go back and forth just to blend it all together. Now we're going to do just a basic tight line, not a dramatic wing. on the upper eyelid, just line the eyelid. I've also added some eyelashes off camera. This time I'm using a very subtle lash. These are the Ardell Demi Wispies lash. Not as dramatic as the Wispies, more like an everyday natural lash. I'm going to take the Plain Jane Beauty Concealer, and the color that I'm going to use is Teak. Setting the concealer with my Plain Jane Beauty Translucent Powder. Now that that is done, now we're going to go back to the eyes and finish them up. I'm going to be using my Hint Beauty eyeliner pencil. This is the Forte black eyeliner pencil, just to tightline the waterline. And now the last step for the eye is to add that inner corner highlight. We're going to take this color, also again from the Hint Beauty Sweet Canyon palette, and just gently tap it right there in the inner corner. Not to make it too bright, because like I said, the focus, I really want it to be on the lips, not necessarily the eyes. So we're just going to just pat that color just a little bit. And that's it, the eyes are all done. Don't want to add anything else because it's not about the eyes in this video, it's about the lips. But we're gonna get there. Next, I'm gonna add some highlight, and this is the Jackie Aina and Artist Couture collection. And this is Le Bronze. Le Bronze. It is a vegan and it is cruelty free. And I really want to support Jackie Aina. So I'm all about supporting Black Girl Magic. Not too much because like I said, it's about the lips. And now for the important, what you guys came here to see. This is Dauna. I thought it was Diana, but the paper says it's pronounced Dauna, and this is from NUS Beauty, and you guys should have received this in your Green Beauty for Us subscription box. If you don't know what I'm talking about, if you don't know what Green Beauty subscription box I'm talking about, I will leave the link below for you guys. But the Green Beauty for Us subscription box is a quarterly subscription box that caters to green beauty products and holistic wellness products for people of color. All right, let's put on the Una. Should I put on a brown lip liner? I mean, I think I don't need it. But you guys know how much I love a brown lip liner, so let's do it without it first and see where it goes. Oh, it's thick. Oh my gosh. Pigmentation from just one swipe is out of this world. Look at that, you guys, just one swipe. I haven't dipped it back in yet. I haven't even turned it around yet. Still that same one swipe. What do y'all think? Brown lip liner or not? I don't know. I kind of think I can get away without it, but I kind of still want to try it, you know? Because I'm just so used to brown lip liner. I don't think I need it though. You guys already know. You know what I did. Yes, I added that brown lip liner. It looked really cute without it. But me, I like the dimension that it gives my lips with the brown lip liner. It adds more dimension, more depth, and I prefer it with the brown lip liner. Last but not least, I think we're done because it's all about the lips and the lips are popping. We're gonna just set the face. This is it, y'all. This is the look. So a real basic nude eye. Yeah, nude eye with a bold lip. I want all the focus to be on the lip. The eyes has a little bit of sparkle in the inner tear duct area, but other than that, it's a basic nude eye. The premise of the eye look is to do a basic nude eye. So whatever skin tone you are, use eyeshadows that are closest to your skin tone and just build on that. So if you're lighter than me, darker than me, in between, wherever you are, just go in your eyeshadow palette all your eyeshadows that you have, pull out all the colors that are closest to your skin tone and just put them on. And then after you put on like 1 or 2, maybe 3 if you're extra like me, 1 or 2 of those tones that are closer to your skin tone, and don't just stack them on top of each other, layer them. Like put you know, 1 in the crease, 1 a little bit lower on the lid, and 1 a little bit higher on the brow bone. And then after that, you want to darken the outer V area with a darker color, but not dark as in black, because we're not going for a smoky eye, but a darker color that's deeper than your actual skin tone. And that's what I did. And then you want to lighten the lid just a little bit with a color that is lighter than your skin tone, just a, you know, just a smidgen lighter. We're not going for too much. Just a smidgen lighter than your skin tone. And then if you want to, this is optional, just highlight the inner tear duct area with a color that has shimmer. All the other colors that I put on my eyes were all matte, because I wanted no glossy, no shimmer. All of them were mattes. But the one in the inner tear duct is a shimmer color. So this is the completed full look. Hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure when you guys get your box, you guys are sharing them with the hashtag greenbeautyforus. Support, share them all over your social media sites. Thank you guys so much for the support that you guys have given Keisha so far, and thank you guys so much for the love that you guys have shown on my videos. I really appreciate it. The boxes are all sold out. Yes, we did that. We did that. Thank you guys for supporting, and thank you Keisha for creating the box. And don't forget, also support the other brands, NUS Beauty, who was the creator of this lipstick, and also the other lipstick shade or lip gloss shade, and also Natural Annie Essentials with all of her skincare products, her lip care products. She'll make sure that your winter lips look right and is ready to apply any kind of lip products. And also don't forget, of course, support Green Beauty for Us. Oh, that was a mouthful. I'm tired now. Alright guys, make sure you guys enjoy your journey. Bye! Stop your bag and I'm bleeding, going downhill fast like a sled in the sea, and then I'm feeling myself. I ain't even gonna lie, I don't think a plane could even take me this high. Every time I think I peaked, I keep on rising. The flow is defying. I was always trying, cause I'm feeling myself.